If you're a web designer working with clients, you've probably asked yourself how to manage projects, track progress, and stay organized. Well, today we're diving into how to use Asana for web design clients, and I'll show you a quick, effective way to get the most out of it. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share how you can use the software for free with some exclusive bonuses. Let's get straight into it. First off, Asana is great because it helps you organize everything in one place. When you're managing multiple clients and projects, it's easy for things to get lost. With Asana, you can create a new project for each client. The best part? You can break it down into sections like design phase, development, and client approval. This structure keeps everything clear and accessible. Next, within each project, you'll want to add tasks that correspond to specific action items. For example, if your client needs a logo design, create a task for that and assign it to yourself or your team. You can also set deadlines so there's no confusion about when something needs to be done. Asana makes sure everyone knows their responsibilities and the timeline. The third thing to know is how to keep clients in the loop. With Asana, you can add clients as guests. This way, they can see the project's progress without having access to everything in your workspace. They can comment on tasks, ask questions, and provide feedback. This keeps communication clear and avoids long email threads. The fourth thing Asana allows is creating templates. For recurring projects, like web design clients, you can set up a template that includes all your typical steps. This means less time spent setting up new projects and more time for design work. Customize the template as needed, and you're good to go. Next, let's talk about task dependencies. If one task needs to be completed before another, Asana lets you link tasks together. For example, the content creation task should be done before design mockups. This way, the workflow is streamlined and you won't run into any bottlenecks. The sixth thing is reporting and tracking. Asana's reporting tools allow you to check how many tasks are on track or overdue. This gives you insight into whether a project is moving forward as planned and allows you to make adjustments as necessary. Lastly, don't forget the integrations. Asana works with Google Drive, Dropbox, and other tools you probably already use for file sharing and communication. Connecting these services to Asana keeps all your resources in one place, so you're never scrambling to find a file or email. So, to recap, organize with projects and sections, track tasks and deadlines, keep clients in the loop, use templates for recurring work, link tasks with dependencies, use reports to track progress, and integrate with the tools you already love. And here's the best part. If you're interested, you can get started with Asana for free today by using the first link below. Plus, if you sign up through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial and some added bonuses. Give it a try and see how Asana can make your web design projects more organized and less stressful.